Far from the spotlight or the headlines, away from the hoverboards and ping pong tables, tucked into the back corner of one of the biggest and brightest tech companies in the world are the facility engineers. Going about their days under the radar, fixing things, improving critical operations that help everyone do their jobs in ways they might not even realize, getting the products people need faster and cheaper. This is their office, the shop, the stockroom full of all those critical parts that help keep the machine humming. They need the right product on the shelf when they need it and where they can find it. And that's where we come in, with a robust inventory management system and strategy tailored to your business. Our internally developed barcode scanning application can be downloaded to any smart device and offers various barcoded solutions to track usage, true job costing, and accurate replenishment requirements. At your facility, job site, or service truck, we have the tools, the people, and the experience to manage your on-site inventory with precision and accuracy, so you have the right amount invested in the right products. Facility engineers are the unsung heroes, and it's our mission to support them every step of the way.